Hello children, how are you? I am Sandhya Nair. I am your English teacher. I hope you all are safe at home. So now we get into our lesson. Let's go by one line. I will be explaining you after each para. Chaskit woke up early that morning. It was a very special day and she was too excited to sleep. She eagerly looked out of the room through the window next to her bed. It was springtime in Ladakh and the apricot trees were in full bloom. Two magpies had already begun their day and were busy looking for insects to eat. Her Amalie was awake too. Chaskit could hear her in the kitchen making gurgur tea. So, Chaskit woke up early that morning. She was very excited because that day was very special day in her life. So, it happens in our life too. If you had some special plan or you are going to some favorite place or you are going to do some favorite thing, obviously we will get up early and we feel very active that day. That's what happened with Chaskit. As soon as she woke up, she was looking through the window and she found the apricot trees were full in bloom. Normally, we find apricot trees near the lakes, and there is one more new word in this para, that is magpies. Now, what is magpies? Do you know? Magpies are a kind of bird with long tail. So that bird also started their day looking for insects to eat. Chaskit's mom also woke up and making gurgur tea. Now we will move to next para. Chaskit had been awake for the last hour. This was the day she was going to remember for a long time. Today was going to be Chaskit's first day at school. At 9 years, she had waited a long time for this. So, it's been 1 hour, she is awake, but she is looking through the window. It is going to be a really special day for Chaskit because after 9 years, a long awaiting, Chaskit is going to school. The school was not very far away from her home. To get there, you had to walk up to the main road. Just before the prayer wheel, you took the path to the left of the road that ran along a narrow stream. Near the poplar trees, you crossed the stream by jumping over the big rocks. Once you got to the other side, a short walk up a slope took you to the school. So, so the school was not very far away from her home. It's not like you all people are coming in bus or auto or your own transport. So the school was not really far from her home. To get there, you had to walk up to the main road. So the way to the school is very clearly explained in this para. There are trees and it is also a rocky area. The road is not even. So once you got to the left side of the road, you have to run along a narrow stream. And near the poplar trees, once you cross the stream, you have to jump over the big rocks. Means like it is a rocky area, there are so many rocks and the road is also not even. So this is the way. It is not as easy as you are coming by highway or even road. The all the children of Skidpoyal, Chaskit's village, walk to the school every day and with ease. But not little Chaskit. She had a disability and could not walk. So the name of the Chaskit village is Skidpoyal. They had to walk every day to school and with ease. Here ease comes when you have a desire. But not little Chaskit because she had a disability and she cannot walk. You all know what is disability? Okay, disability means a physical or mental handicap, especially one that prevents a person from living a normal life. Means there are lots of disability, physical disability, mental disability, etc. Kit was born with legs that did not work like everyone else. Her father had taken her to the village Amchi and then to the doctors in Leh, but no amount of medicine had helped her walk. At first, Chaskit did not realize that she was in any way different from Stope than her younger brother or her cousins. But soon there were many things she could not do as easily as them. Like Chaskit was born with legs, but it did not work like others. Her father had taken her to the village Amchi. Now, here Amchi means doctor, and different other doctors in Leh, but they gave a lot of medicine, but that did not help her to walk. At first, everyone thought that Chaskit, she is a normal person like others, like her younger brother Stobden and her cousin, but soon there were a lot of things that she cannot do like easily as them. That does not matter, her Abale would tell her whenever she felt sad. You can stitch better than any one of them, and you can draw very well. Abale often brought her some color pencils from Leh. Okay, now that does not matter, her Abale would tell her whenever she felt sad. Now, what is Abale? Abale means father. Her father used to tell that does not matter whenever she felt sad. Whenever her father used to tell that does not matter whenever she felt sad, he used to tell that you can stitch better than any one of them, you can draw very well. So her father brought her some color pencils from Leh. Chaskit would sit at the kitchen window every day and draw what she saw while her Amale cooked. She could see her family's animals being taken to graze every morning. She could see the blue waters of the stream that flowed nearby, and she would be the first one to announce the arrival of a visitor to their house. So, what do Chaskit do? She does she do sit in the kitchen and she used to draw whatever her mother cooked. Amale means her mother. Okay, here Amale means mother and Abale means father. So whenever her mother cooked, she used to draw different things, and she used to see whenever her family's animals were taken to graze every morning, she used to see that animals and she used to draw that also. Now she could see some blue waters of the stream that flowed nearby. Sure. And she would be the first one to announce the arrival of a visitor to their house. Now here she used to draw some blue waters that was flowing to the stream, the sounds, blue waters. She used to feel and draw all that things, and she was the first person whenever any visitor come to their house. She used to announce. She used to tell her mother or father that who is coming to their home. Chusky used a wheelchair to move around. You could move it in any direction, forward, left, right, and even backward by moving the wheels with your hands. You only needed to have really strong arms to push the weight of your body and the chair. Now, Chaskit has no ability to walk, so she had a wheelchair. In this paragraph, the explanation of the wheelchair is given. This particular paragraph, like she was having a wheelchair, it can move to in any direction, in all the four direction, forward, left, right, backward. She only needed her strong arms. When Abale first brought the wheelchair home, everyone in her family was very excited. When her father, Abale means father, when her father first brought the wheelchair for her, everyone in her family was very excited, was very happy for her.